Have you ever thought of going to a grand wedding or a luxury hotel in lobby to see how this wonderful floral setup turns out? Today we will recreate royal entrance. So let's start. We need to make this floral transformation. To make this we need artificial bougainvillea flowers, artificial cherry blossom flowers, brass pillar floral stand, floral foam, rope. First we will tie the rope on one side of the stand. On top of the stand, we will keep the foam. We need to tightly tie the foam on all four sides with the rope. We need to make a solid base that can take the weight of heavy flowers, which should stay intact. Now we will make the bougainvillea flowers. We need to place them on all sides of the foam. We need to insert a little extra force on them so that the stems get inserted perfectly. Just keep in mind that each stem is perfectly secure, so that our arrangement is completely stable and balanced. Now we need to place our showstopper, wide cherry blossom flowers. First of all, we will insert them in the top of the foam so that they can get a perfect height. Then we will insert the stems from a little angle. This will give the arrangement a natural and fuller bucket look. If the stems are a little thicker, you have to put a little more force so that the stems can get locked at the foam base. Once the stems are all set, we will spread them lightly with our hands. We need to create a perfect stunning volume shape that looks stunning from each side. And this is how our super attractive luxury floral arrangement is made. The beautiful cherry blossom and bougainvilleas combo is perfect to give a royal look to any entrance or lobby. Simple, classy and beautiful. For more such decoration videos, stay with us. Like, share and subscribe to Hira Decor. Hira Ram.